to send money from Sutton Bank to Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money from your Sutton Bank to your Cash App account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Cash App account in your device, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're done logging into your account, just click on the profile section from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just scroll down and click on linked bank section. Just simply tap on it, and after that just simply tap on link debit card and click on no card from the bottom left. And now just simply click on continue, and on the search bar you can search for Sutton Bank. If you don't find the Sutton Bank in the list given below, just simply search for Sutton right here, and you will be able to see the bank option right there. Just simply tap on it, and you can select the Sutton Bank type that you are owning. For example, if you're owning a business credit card or a business online banking, credit card login, online banking, Sutton Bank loan, or anything that you're using right now. So I'm just gonna click on the first link and just confirm that you are not a robot. And once you are done connecting the Sutton Bank to your Cash App account, just come all the way back to the home screen in your Cash App account. And on the home screen, just simply click on the banking icon from the bottom left corner of the screen. And over here, you will be able to see the balance that you have in your Cash App account. Since you have connected your Sutton Bank to your Cash App account, so in order to send money from your Sutton Bank to your Cash App account, all you have to do is just simply click on add cash. And after that, just simply select the amount of the cash that you would want to add in your Cash App account through your Sutton Bank that you have just connected from your Cash App account. And after that, just simply click on add the balance. And after that, the money will be added from your Sutton Bank account to your Cash App account. So this is basically how you will be able to send money from your Sutton Bank to your Cash App account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.